Welcome, Ornamental Fish Whiz viewers. Thanks for joining us again, straight out of Jamaica. Today we will be sharing some Oscar fish facts, most frequent questions, and we'll answer them to help you to be more informed whenever you decide to purchase Oscars. Want to know more? Stay tuned. Welcome back. If you're new to our channel, please click the subscribe button to receive instant notifications and more. Please like, share, and leave a comment, whether thumbs up or down. We still appreciate. Now let's jump right in. Oscars are infamous for their aggression, which is hard to imagine since they swim so gracefully. But they prove that looks can be deceiving. Those who are brave enough to keep them may initially be attracted by their appearance and colors, but quickly come to appreciate their intelligence and social behaviors. These are temperamental creatures that should only be looked after by experienced fish keepers. As omnivores, they are easy to feed, but it can be hard to find suitable tank mates. Now, these are some features of the Oscar fish that we like to point out. So if you didn't know, here we go. So the care level for Oscar fish is moderate. The temperament of these Oscars are aggressive and territorial. Now, their color forms, there are various color forms when it comes on to Oscars. Now, Oscars lifespan is up to 20 years. The size of your Oscars can go up to 12 inches. Now, the diet for your Oscars, they are omnivorous. You would have to have a tank size of at least 55 gallons for your Oscars. Now, it would be ideal for you to have a setup in your tank with rocks and caves. Now, these Oscars are fresh water fish. Now, if you're looking for other fish to place in your aquariums with your Oscars for compatibility, it would be good to look for large passive fishes. Now, the Oscars are native to Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. They can be found along the Amazon River and its surrounding areas, which is one of the most biodiverse environments in the world. Now, wild populations have also been found elsewhere in places like North America and China. Now, this is through the ornamental fish keeping industry, fish being imported in other countries. Now, these fish are very popular for home aquariums, but they are not to be purchased without good thought, without thinking it through and knowing exactly what you're purchasing. They are infamous for their aggression and territorial behavior, which can make it very difficult for you to handle, especially if you're thinking of going and creating a community tank. Now, these are some of the questions persons usually ask.
What size aquarium should I purchase?
Oscars will need a fairly large aquarium. 55 gallons or larger is ideal. A smaller tank will cause them to stress, which will make them ill or more aggressive because of their territorial behavior.
How large do Oscar fish get?
They grow very quickly, up to 1 inch per month until they reach 12 inches in length. In the wild, they usually grow slightly larger, and there have been reports of these fishes growing up to 18 inches.
What does Oscar fish eat?
Because Oscar fishes are omnivorous, They'll eat a wide variety of foods. In the wild, they mostly live off small insects and crustaceans, supplemented by some live fish and dead plant matter. You can feed your Oscars in your aquarium commercial pellet foods with the occasional live food treat.
How long Oscars live?
Most live between 8 to 12 years. However, given the right care, tank conditions and diet, they can live up to 15 years. The color varies and depends greatly on the type of Oscar. They are really a beautiful species that can exhibit a wide array of colors. Let's take a look at some of the most popular kinds of Oscar fishes. Tiger Oscars. The tiger Oscar has a coloration that you can imagine due to their name. They are a common variation of the Oscar fish and are very popular as well. The tiger Oscar possesses black bodies with orange markings similar to their namesake, and the stripes can reach all over their bodies and even to their tails. Tiger Oscars can sometimes even reach 15 inches in the wild. Our third Oscar is the red Oscar. Now, the red Oscar fish takes beauty to a whole nother level. They are made up of two main colors, red and black, and the intensity of the red hue varies from fish to fish. The two distinct colors are very apparent on the red Oscar, and they blend seamlessly into each other. The blue Oscar. Now, the blue Oscar can rival the beauty of the red Oscar with its cool toned pigments. They feature many shades of blue on their bodies with some yellow or even pink markings. The black Oscar. The black Oscar fish, as you can probably guess, is mainly black in color. They might feature some different colored patches and stripes that resembles the pattern on the tiger Oscar, and are mainly made up of shades of orange and red green Oscars. Now, the green Oscar fish look quite exotic, almost like they belong in a swamp. The green shades on these Oscars will see them reflecting at times a little yellow or a little black on their sides. Now, I hope that you were more informed about Oscar fishes to make a better decision when you're at the pet shop. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment at the bottom. See you next time, Ornamental Fish Whiz.